This demonstration shows how edge storage operates on a TIC2A32SA camera integrated with Milestone XProtect. When communication with the VMS is interrupted, the camera continues recording locally on its onboard microSD card. This ensures video evidence is preserved even during temporary network or communication failures. The edge storage mechanism prevents recording gaps that could otherwise affect event analysis. From Milestone XProtect, the operator can access the camera-side storage workflow used to recover the recorded footage. Once communications are restored, XProtect retrieves the video segments stored locally on the device. This includes pre-event footage, which is often critical for understanding the full context of an incident. The playback timeline confirms that the recorded material remains available despite the communication loss. The operator can then review the recovered sequence directly from the Milestone environment. This provides higher recording resilience and stronger evidential continuity across the installation. SGSE delivers solutions of this kind to improve video availability in critical surveillance deployments.